In the Gradebook tool in Sakai, instructors can modify the Gradebook table to organize and filter the information. Gradebook items are arranged as columns, and the horizontal bar at the bottom of the window can be used to scroll. If the Gradebook has a lot of items, it can quickly become cumbersome to navigate. To filter the table by items or categories, click the View Columns drop-down that's located above the table, and select the items to show or hide. For example, to show only one or two Gradebook items, click the Hide All link at the top of the menu, and then select the boxes for the desired items. To close this menu, click the drop-down again. When items are hidden from view, a number will appear next to the View Columns drop-down to indicate the number of hidden and visible items. A pair of arrows may also appear at the top of the visible items to indicate adjacent hidden items. To unhide those items, click the arrows. When items are hidden, only your view of the Gradebook will be affected. To hide a Gradebook item from students, click the drop-down at the bottom right of its header and select Edit Item Details. Then, uncheck the option Release Item to Students and click Save Changes. An icon will appear in the item header to indicate that it's not visible to students. To change the order of items in the instructor view, click the Item Order button and follow the process. Alternatively, click and drag the column headers to the left or right to change their order. To toggle the organization of items by category, click the Group by Category button. This button will only appear if categories are configured in the Gradebook settings. Be aware that these controls will only affect the instructor's view. More information about the Gradebook tool can be found in our other videos or by visiting the PLU Knowledge Base.